Yes, fine. Now we will start the discussion about HashMap insertion in Java. Is it okay? The very first thing is, guys, you will not get the notes for this thing. You have to type it and execute it later. Okay? I am not giving the digital notes for this chapter. Previous session, this session, you will not get any notes. See, yeah. Try on the program. Create create a frequency hash map. Create a frequency hash map. So, sir, what is the meaning of frequency hash map? See, A is equals to 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 10, 30, 40, 10, 10, 10, 40, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 10, 10. Okay, 10, 10, 10. Okay, this is my array, guys. What you have to create is a hash map. What are you creating? Hash map where the key is a number and the value is how many times is it present. Is it understood? Where key, for example, 10 is present 7 times. This is how you have to store the data. Is it clear? So now please help me once. How many times 10 is present? Someone count. How many times 10 is present? 9 times. Thank you. How many times 20 is present? 3 times. Okay. How many times 30 is present? 1 time. Okay. How many times 40 is present? 2 times. Sure. Okay. How many times 50 is present? Okay. 60 and 70. Okay. This is the expected output. Is it clear? So if I print my hash map, these are the values I should get. Okay. This is the interview question. This is an interview question where they will ask you, write a Java program. Write a Java program to print occurrence of one number or all the numbers in an array. Is it clear? What is the program? Write a Java program to print the occurrence of one number or all the numbers in the array. Is it clear? If they ask you to tell me how many times 10 is present, you have to print 9. If they tell you to print how many times each element is present, you have to print this hash map only. Is it clear? Is it clear? So now, shall we start typing the program? Shall we start typing the program? Very good. See, guys. The very first thing, if you observe, what is the data type of key? Integer. What's the data type of value? Integer. So can I say my hash map is, one second. Sorry, yeah. Can I say my hash map is integer comma integer or not? Am I recording the session? Yeah. My hash map is integer comma integer or not? Now see, yeah. First, let me get my array. I will take the same array. This is my array. Let me create the syntax. Int a is equals to. Okay. My array is ready, guys. I have given a default array. My array is ready. Now, can we start implementing the hash map? Shall we start implementing the hash map? Ready? Everybody ready? Now, using the for each loop, let me first access these elements one by one. How to do it? For int I in a. You know it, right? I am trying to iterate the array using a for each loop. For int I in a. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now understand one thing, guys. Understand one thing. If the element is coming for the first time in my hash map, for example, 10 is coming first time in my hash map, I have to put 10 and make the count 1. Yes or no? If the element is coming for the very first time, create a new entry and store the number, right? If the element is already present, 10 is already present, then I have to increment the value of 10 into 2. Did you understand? If the element is already present, don't insert it again and again. You just have to change the value. If the element is not present, insert. So remember, insertion happens in two cases. What if the element is present? What if the element is not present? Yes or no? What if the element is present? What if the element is not present? Yes or no? Right? For that, understand, we have if condition and else condition. Is it clear? What if the element is present? What if it is not present? If condition, else. In the beginner level, we'll go in a simple format. If condition, else. So what is the if condition? Now understand. Is I the value I want to store or not? Is I the value I want to store or not? 10, 10, 20, 20, 10, 30, 40, 10, 10, 10, 10. Is I the value or key or not? Is I my key or not that I want to store? Everybody respond. I will give me one number at a time. I is the key. First check if this key already present. How to check it? H dot contains key. Is it clear? If this condition becomes true, that means I is already a key in my hash map. Everybody got it, guys? Everybody got it, guys? Come on, come on, come on. Everybody got it? If I is already there, it is my key. Everybody got it? So see what I will do. What I will observe what I will do. First, I will take a variable called as count. Count means this will tell me how many times it is already present. Count is equals to h dot get of I. Is it clear for you people? First, I am taking the value of the 10. How many times was it already stored? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear? What was the previous times that 10 was present? I am taking into the variable called as count. Did you get it? Java? Respond till now. Yes. Then I have to increase it by 1 or not, because now it is coming again. Should I increase it by 1 or not? So I will write count plus plus. That is, if it was present for 5 times, now make it 6 times. If it is present for 7 times, make it 8 times. Now I have to re-update the value in my hash map. So what I will put? H dot put of I comma count. Did you people understand this segment? Did you people understand this segment? First I am checking, is the value already a key? If it is a key, what was the previous value? How many times was it present? Increment the value by 1 and update my hash map. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Now, if the element was not at all present, is it coming for the first time or not? If the element is not at all present, is it coming for first time or not? Then what you will write? H dot put off, put the value of I with 1. Why 1? Because it is coming for the very first time. It is coming for the very first time. How many of you got this concept? How many of you got it? If the element is coming for the very first time, then we are going for else segment. If it is already there, we are going on to if segment. Now let's see if it is working. Let's see if it is working. System dot out dot println, print me the hash map. Okay. Okay. When I run it, guys, is it matching with the answers you people see? Now there is no insertion order. Someone was asking now, gone. Insertion order is gone. Can you see it or not? How I inserted elements doesn't exist. So tell me, guys, is 50 present once? Yes. Is 20 present 3 times? Yes. 70 is present 1 time. 40 is present 2 times. 10 is present 9 times. 60 is present 1 time. 30 is present 1 time. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Everybody got it? Everybody got it till now? So my hash map has been created, yes or no? So my hash map has been created, yes or no? So this is how you convert the given array into frequency hash map. This is how you create the given program into frequency hash map. Everybody got it? Java students, is it clear? Is it clear? Sure? Pakka? Lock kar diya jaye? Yeah, sure. See ya. Let me take an example, okay? Imagine my hash map is empty. Is it okay, guys? My hash map is empty. Is it okay? Ready? Shall we start? Who was that? Someone asked me that. Not ready. Okay, see ya. For the first time, guys, the value of I is equals to 10. Yes or no? For the first time, the value is taken from A. The value of I is equals to 10. Respond. Respond. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Now see ya. Come to this condition. Does H contain a key called as 10? Does H contain a key called as 10? Yes or no? Does H contain a key called as 10? Yes or no? As of now, does it contain? Does it contain? Where does it contain? See ya. Initially, my hash map is empty. Initially, my hash map is empty. For the first time, the value of I has been 10. Now check. Does my H contain a key called as 10? Does it contain a key called as 10? No. It doesn't contain a key called as 10. So will you go to if or else segment now? This condition became false. You're going into what now? Else. What are you saying? H dot put off. Okay. The value of I is 10. Key is 1. Is it clear? For the first time when the entry is made, using the else segment, the element gets inserted. Is it okay? Till now clear? Okay. Second element is 10, guys. Now check. Now check. 10 is the second element. Does my H contain a key called as 10 or not? Does my H contain a key called as 10 or not? So first what you're doing, count is equal to H dot get of I. So what is the value of H dot get of I? The value of count becomes 1. Is it clear? The value of count becomes 1. Is it clear? Yes. Then count plus plus. The value of count becomes 2. Is it clear? Then you are saying H dot put I is still 10, but this time the value of count becomes 2. It's get updated in the same place only. Got it? It gets updated in the same place only. Got it? Good. Let's take one more value. What's the next value, guys? What will be the next value? 20. Okay, tell me. Is 20 present in my keys? Is 20 present in my keys? No. Then you are going to else segment. Insert a new key called as what now? 20 and the default value is 1. So second element will be inserted now. Is it clear? So the second element is inserted now. Is it clear? Everybody clear? Sure? Good. Can someone tell me what will this happen when this element comes? How will my hash map look? Type the full thing. How will my hash map look when 20 is gonna come? Again. How will it look like? Exactly. It becomes 10, 2, 20, 2. So this is how your frequency hash map is gonna work. Is it clear, guys? This is how your frequency hash map is gonna work. Is it clear for everyone? Everybody clear? Done. So in tomorrow's session, we will start doing the programs on hash map. Okay, this is clear, right? So please practice the hash map again and again. Okay, chalo, disconnect. Okay, fine, disconnect. So Python, I will start it now. Okay, disconnect. Java students can leave.